Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 126 news. Here in this first clip, we can see a Ukrainian sniper doing some handiwork on some Russians. The Russians are continuing down the road, and the sniper is not actually going to pick the first two soldiers out, he's going to pick the third soldier out in the line and deliver what appears to be a killing shot to the chest. When you see him lining up the shot right there, firing, and that's a man down. In this next clip, Ukrainian forces bombard a Russian supply depot in an unknown location in the country, causing significant damage and most likely destroying most of the supplies that were at the base. In this clip, an Azov drone stalks a couple of Russian soldiers heading into some trenches and then drops a bomblet onto them. Belarusian special forces have now begun training for the Ringling Brothers Circus. Observe as they try out their new circus routines. In this clip, we watch a Russian cruise missile slam into a residential building in the Mykolaiv city area. We do not know how many casualties were caused by this attack. In this last clip, we see a Ukrainian soldier taking care of his pets, which is a dog and a cat. Very sweet little video. I thank you all so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care.